What is this?
Airplane! Airplane!
You're right, it's an airplane.
Fly,
Look at that airplane fly. Where do airplanes fly? In the water?
Uh-oh, not in water.
On land?
In the sky, in the sky.
They fly in the sky. Good job. You're so smart, Munch Kids.
Come, let's play. I have a hunch with Lulu and Munch.
Beep, beep. Oh, hi, Munch Kids.
Hi.
We are playing like we're driving cars. Can you drive a car with us? Look what we have here. We have a puzzle with all different kinds of transportation. We have trains and airplanes and a boat. Let's play. What a fun puzzle. Filled with so many forms of transportation.
Puzzles! Munch love puzzles.
Let's start with this puzzle piece. What do you see, Munch Kids?
Oh, it's a train.
You're right, it's a train.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo, 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 choo.
Where does the train go? On the road?
Oh, no.
No. In the water?
Right here.
You're right, Munch. Right there. Great work.
Whoa, we did it.
Next up, what do you see?
It's a car.
It's a car. Great work.
A car. Whoa, Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Where does the car go? In the sky?
Here.
Uh-oh, too big.
Here.
In the water? It goes on the road. Great work.
Wow. Yeah.
Next up. What is this?
Airplane. Airplane.
You're right, it's an airplane.
Fly.
Look at that airplane fly. Where do airplanes fly? In the water?
Uh-oh, not in water.
On land?
In the sky, in the sky.
They fly in the sky. Good job. You're so smart, Munch Kids. What is this?
A boat.
It's a boat.
Whoa, boat.
Float, boat, float.
Wow. Float, boat, float.
Boats go
in water.
in the water. Great work. Our last puzzle piece. What do you see?
A bus.
It's a bus.
Buses.
We love buses.
Vroom, vroom.
Filled with so many people. I wonder where they're going today.
Bus. Munch love buses.
And the bus belongs on the road. Yay, we did it! Wasn't that so much fun? You are so smart and good at puzzles, Munch kids. What was your favorite puzzle piece, Munch?
Like airplane. Goes to fly. Fly.
I like that sound too. What was your favorite puzzle piece, Munch kids? And what sound did it make? You're so good at making that sound. See you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe to see our weekly videos.